What if I told you there's a place where towering cliffs rise from glassy waters, where villages cling to mountainsides like whispers from another time, and where the air tastes like snow and sea all at once? Welcome to Norway. A land carved by ancient glaciers and shaped by timeless beauty. From the majestic fjords that stretch endlessly into the horizon to scenic train rides through emerald valleys and coastal towns glowing under the midnight sun. This is a country that awakens your sense of wonder. In this journey, we'll explore the top wonders of Norway, both legendary landmarks and hidden gems. A cinematic escape into landscapes that don't just impress, they change you. Let the adventure begin. Norway's story begins with the Vikings, fearless seafarers who once launched daring expeditions from its rugged coastlines. But beyond the horned helmets and longships lies a rich and evolving culture shaped by nature, resilience, and tradition. This is a land where folklore breathes through mountain mists, and fjords hide tales of trolls and spirits. Norwegians have a deep connection to the land, and it shows in everything from their love of friluftsliv, open-air living, to the preservation of ancient stave churches and Sami heritage in the Arctic North. Oslo, the vibrant capital, merges sleek modernity with Viking roots, while quaint fishing villages along the Lofoten Islands still echo the rhythms of a simpler, salt-kissed life. Did you know? Norway was once united with Denmark and later Sweden, only gaining full independence in 1905. Yet it remains one of the world's most peaceful, progressive nations. It's a place where past and present flow together as seamlessly as its waterfalls. Top 5 must-visit places in Norway. Geirangerfjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and arguably Norway's most iconic fjord. Picture steep, emerald-covered cliffs plunging into crystal-clear water. You'll cruise past dramatic waterfalls like the Seven Sisters and the Suder, their mist painting rainbows in the air. The silence here is overwhelming, except for the sound of cascading water and distant eagle calls. Lofoten Islands. Remote, rugged, remarkable. These Arctic islands are where jagged peaks rise straight from the sea, and red wooden cabins, Rorbuer, dot the shoreline like a painting come to life. Whether you're kayaking through icy inlets or witnessing the northern lights shimmer above, the Lofoten Islands are pure magic. Flam Railway. One of the world's most scenic train journeys. The Flam Railway takes you from the fjord village of Flam to the mountaintop at Myrdal, climbing through deep valleys, past waterfalls, and snow-dusted peaks. Each turn offers a view more breathtaking than the last. Trolltunga, daring and dramatic. Trolltunga, the Troll's Tongue, is a rocky ledge jutting out 700 meters above Lake Ringedalsvatnet. The hike is tough, but standing at the edge feels like floating above Norway itself. It's the ultimate reward for the brave. Bergen. Known as the gateway to the fjords, Bergen is steeped in charm. Colorful Hanseatic wharf buildings, bustling fish markets, and funicular rides up Mount Fløyen make this harbor town feel like a living postcard. It's where nature and culture blend effortlessly. Hidden gems in Norway that must be visited. Aurlandsfjellet, the snow road. Often overshadowed by nearby tourist routes, Aurlandsfjellet is known as the Snow Road, and for good reason. Stretching between Aurland and Lærdal, this high mountain pass winds through dramatic plateaus and surreal, snow-covered landscapes, even in summer. At the Stegastein viewpoint, a glass platform juts out over the fjord, offering dizzying, panoramic views that few travelers ever see. It's Norway's wild beauty in its rawest form, and it's accessible by car from May to October. Undredal village. Tucked along the Aurlandsfjord, Undredal is a postcard-sized village home to just a few dozen people and hundreds of goats. Famous for its traditional brown goat cheese, brunost. It's also where you'll find one of Norway's smallest stave churches, built in 1147. Walk the quiet harbor. Listen to the clinking of bells from the nearby pastures, and feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. These hidden gems may not boast the fame of Geiranger or Trolltunga, but they hold something even rarer: peace, authenticity, and the kind of moments that stay with you long after the journey ends. Norway is more than just a place on a map. It's a living canvas where nature paints in epic strokes. From the thunder of waterfalls echoing through silent fjords, to the golden shimmer of midnight sun on snow-capped peaks. Every moment in Norway feels timeless. This journey has only scratched the surface. There's always more to discover. More trails, more stories, more hidden corners waiting for you. So, which part of Norway are you most excited to explore? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow travelers. Until next time, keep chasing beauty, keep chasing stillness, keep chasing the world, because Norway is waiting.